What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression of a brand new release from the house of Lattafa. I have only seen Steven from Red Lessons talk about this fragrance. This is none other than Musamam Black Intense. Now, I have no idea what this fragrance smells like, of course, and I have not smelled any of the other Musamam releases by Lattafa. This is the first time I got this, and the reason was because of the bottle and, of course, the packaging right here. So let's do an unboxing of this beautiful fragrance. And if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, welcome. And I request you, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe, help my channel grow, because this is not a sponsored content. Wow. Like the packaging, it almost feels like snakeskin, authentic stuff. But I believe this is one of those foul leather thing. Beautiful presentation, I must say. Like, this is something top notch. Where did I get it from? I purchased it directly from the Lattafa USA website. Yes, if you have any kind of financial advices, please keep it to yourself. It's my money. Let me deal with it, okay? Let's talk only about the fragrance. So the fragrance sits comfortably inside this nice coffin, I would say. Just look at this. Oh my goodness. This is like top-notch presentation. Like the detail, the materials are premium. Wow. Wonderful. So, as per the Lattafa website, these are the notes. On the top, you've got lavender, nutmeg, bergamot, and sage. On the mids, you've got geranium, rosifolia, mahonio. Never heard about this thing. Okay, maybe some kind of mahogany wood or something, maybe. And then you've got cedarwood. And on the base, you've got maple wood, patchouli, tonka bean, cocoa pulse, and ambrofix. Now, from what I heard, and if I remember correctly, Steven did talk about cocoa pulse, and it's like one of those proprietary notes that only Lattafa has in their possession. So I guess this is one of those proprietary kind of compositions. Let's take a look at this fragrance. So that's the beautiful cap. As you can see, it's very heavy, very nice, very nice. And of course, the bottle. Wow, top notch, man, top notch. Loving this already. So let's not delay any further. Let's go directly on skin and see what Musamam Black Intense smells like. I've got high hopes. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Is it hyped yet? I guess not. Hype up my video, guys. Nice atomizer. I'll just do one more. Wow. Fresh, spicy, aromatic. There's almost like a coconut kind of like vibe in this in the opening, but it's not exactly coconut, but there's this kind of like a creamy thing going on. Sage is definitely there. It's one of those herbaceous, green, juicy kind of sage. The nutmeg is a bit spicy, but with some hints of sweetness to it. The lavender is acting as a fresh floral. It's not one of your sharp, spicy lavender. It's that smooth floral one. Or maybe it's turning a bit spicy at this point, a bit sharp. But the opening is like really smooth. The bergamot over here definitely is acting like a fresh agent. It's not one of your fruity one. It's more of like the zest, like the freshness from the bergamot zest. I think it's that kind of like a fresh element working in the opening. I'm feeling that this fragrance is slowly and almost immediately turning into something darker, deeper. Has a lot of smoky, like deep, three-dimensional smoky vibes, if I might say. Like it's like in layers. It's not feeling like sharp, you know, like suffocating kind of smoky, but it's smooth. It's got these layers. Like sometimes it's coming off like a bit harsh, and then it's coming down, toning down. So there's like a playful vibe of this. So one thing I can say for sure, this fragrance, Musamam Black Intense, this one is very, very masculine. That's for sure. So I'm getting a lot of woodsy vibe, woodsy undertone. It's dry, masculine. I guess the smoky vibe, it's probably coming from that cedarwood, so it's one of that smoky cedarwood kind of thing. A deep darkness, most likely the patchouli. I'm not sure how the tonka bean is gonna work out, or how the coca pulse or ambroxan. Ambrofix, it's probably one of those, again, it's like a compositional thing, like an ambroxan and something else combined, named as ambrofix. But I do feel like a freshness working somewhere in the background. The coca pulses, I think that's exactly where, maybe it's a combination of coconut, coca, cacao, whatever you call it. Almost has this mild lactonic vibe as well. No floral components like rosifolia. I'm not sure what that is. Like, this is the first time I'm seeing this note. Geranium. Nah, it's not floral. I don't see any floral components coming through, not at least in the first impression part. But overall, I would say this is an absolute banger for this time of the year. This is Musamam from Lattafa, Musamam Black Intense. Again, take a look at this beautiful bottle. I'm sure the prices are gonna drop very soon, so keep an eye on Frag Flex, Choma Shop, all those places. But so far, very masculine. Perfect for this time of the year when it's cooler, when it's gonna get even more colder, right? Really loving this. So the smokiness, it never comes through like in your face. You feel it, you get it, but it's like in layers. Beautifully done. It's very smooth, fresh, masculine, very aromatic. And I do feel the oomph in this fragrance. I'm not sure what's the concentration on this. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, maybe leave it for, the full review. So I'll leave it up to here. Guys, if you have made it this far, this was unboxing and first impression of Lattafa's 2025 release. This is Lattafa Musamam Black Intense. Beautiful creation so far, at least in the first impression. I'll be back with a full review after I've done several full wearings. If you've made it this far and not subscribed yet, I humbly request please subscribe, help my channel grow, hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. I will see you in the next one. Please take care, stay safe, and all the best.